You don't find your photography style by copying someone else. You find it by understanding why their work works, if that makes sense. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. If you want to develop your own style, at some point you need to stop skimming across everything and start going a little bit deeper. Obviously, experimenting is really important. It's how you discover what you actually enjoy. But once something resonates with you, stick with it. So choose a genre you love, find 2 or 3 photographers who really inspire you, and study their work intentionally. What I mean by that is don't just look at the photographs. Ask why they work. What's the light doing? Where are the shadows falling? Why has the photographer framed it that particular way? What's creating the emotion? Because depth builds discernment. Discernment builds taste. And taste over time helps build style. Think of it this way. You're learning the language. You're not just memorizing the sentence. So if you love the way someone uses side light, don't copy their picture. Take the principle and apply it to your own subject, your own location, and your own ideas. That's how inspiration becomes development rather than imitation. And remember, style is not a filter or a preset. It's a series of deliberate, repeated decisions that become yours over time. I go much deeper into studying other photographers in episode 11, the Ultimate Checklist series, so take a look at that next. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, come and join our Photography Foundations community. QR code on the screen, or there's a link in the description. So who's the one photographer whose work you'd love to study more deeply? Let me know in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.